So this is the maze I made. We used Unity to make it. And pretty much the goal is to reach the finish line without losing all 5 of your lives. And like there's hidden like pressure plates that if you hit you'll die, and also there's like these balls that'll follow you and they'll like take one life off you each time that you like collide with it. The design was we used a terrain sprite, and then we used certain blocks to like make walls that confine the player into a certain area, which is like the maze.
Yeah.
And then like there's also various sprites, like one's you, like that you're actually moving with, and then the rest are like, again, like I said, pressure plates and like walls that can kill you. And to program this, we use C# and we created various variables and scripts to make each sprite complete a certain program. Like, for example, the balls, we coded it to follow the player by having it compare the tag like to the player so that it'll always follow the player. And we also have like a win and a lose scene that are like programmed to trigger when something happens. Like, so if you reach the end of the maze, the win scene will trigger. And we pretty much just tested it by keep running it. Like, if we had errors, we would just go back and fix it. Like, yeah, until like we got it how we wanted it. At first we thought we were like done, but we ended up seeing that there's like much more we could add. So we added like a win and a lose scene, and like we were gonna add a health bar, but then it kind of went wrong. So, and then. This is like. So it like starts here. That's like the intro, like explains everything, and then if you press this button, it starts. Pretty much you're spawned in, and like these balls will always follow you, and like if you hit it 5 times, you lose obviously, and it would be kind of long to reach the end, but pretty much once you reach the end, you will collide with an invisible box that will trigger the win scene, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah.
Do you even see the walls?
So there's like hidden pressure plates that no, you cannot see, and they will automatically kill you, which makes it really hard to finish. But then the balls you can see, but those only take 1 HP off, which I should probably fix. And at the end, no, you cannot see that box. That box is invisible. You will just collide with it, and eventually you will win. But there are hidden routes that if you take, like that's not the end. Like it may look like the end, but there's like a certain way you have to go, which is it's also a maze, but it's also things that follow you, so it makes it really hard. All right.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.